Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Here are 3 Etsy tools for newbie sellers. Now, if you're a new seller on Etsy, what you will have to pay attention to is first, creating that first listing, and second, having that product research and finding low competition keywords. So this video is all about that. So let's get started. So the first tool on this list is called Marmalade. Now, Marmalade basically grows your sales with real shopper keywords. This is basically a keyword research tool. As you can see, if you type in a keyword tool, the Marmalade will give you searches, engagement, and competition. So here, all you have to do is you just have to keep in mind on searches, make sure searches are good, and make sure competition is low and engagement is good, right? This will basically allow you to rank for that keyword when you post a new item for selling, right? As you can see, there are already over 100,000 people using Marmalade. Marmalade is a premium tool, but you can also start with a free trial as well, which is pretty awesome. Now, second tool on this list is eRank. eRank is a tool just like Marmalade, but again, it has keyword research. You can track your competitors. You can also track trends, right? You can stay on top of the latest trending items. This is how it looks like, the UI of eRank. It's a great tool. Again, it's a really basic tool. Marmalade is a little bit advanced tool, but this tool is a little bit more on the basic side, but still it does the job, right? It does the job very well. Again, you can start it for free, as well as Marmalade. You can start that for free and start doing your marketplace research and research for your store. Now, number 3 on this list is Allura. Allura actually offers free product and keyword research for $0 a month. Now, as you can see, if we go to Allura website, this is basically all in one Etsy platform for selling on Etsy. This is how it looks like within the platform. If we go here, this is basically what you get for free, right? You get keyword and product research for free, which is the most important part if you're a new seller on Etsy. So if you're a new seller, you can make your selling journey easier with Allura's research tool. So you just type the name of your product, for example, let's type business card, for example, and then you will get the overview here of everything, right? Competition, engagement, everything, right? And then you will be able to analyze your products that you want to sell. Then Allura extension, this is an extension that you put on Google Chrome, and here you can basically get information on a lot of your a lot of the things that are selling, what's the typical favorites, what's the typical price, typical sales, and a lot of stuff like that. I also have shop analyzer as well, which is really great if you want to analyze your shop. So these are basically 3 Etsy tools for newbie sellers. I wanted to make this video short and concise. I hope you get the value out of it, and I hope you find this useful. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.